Most of Pinterest fans have seen this similar site. This formation of image is what we call a Masonry layout. It is when you don't force the user to stick to a certain size of image like Instagram, but you allow them to post whatever image size they want and place it with the same ratio. Let's dive into that together. Hello and welcome to a new episode on Minutes with Figma. We're going to grab the rectangle tool first and draw one. Just draw it with the size you want because you're going to fix it in a minute. You know how there are different common ratios for images like 4:5, 3:4, 9:16, etc. I've actually tried all and figured the most suitable for this design is to have 4:5 and 1:1, which is square obviously. Set the rectangle to 4 in width and 5 in height. Then hold shift and expand it until it's a width of 216. You might be thinking now, why on earth 216 pixels? I'll get back to that in a minute. Let's now press Alt and hold it. Alt usually duplicates anything. Release and voila, you have another identical rectangle. Now back to 216. You notice how we left a gap of 24 between both shapes? Now remember what I said in the previous lesson? The 8 pixels rule. Designers love the number 8 and base almost everything on multiples of 8. And 24 is 8 multiplied by 3. And I'm not going to lie, the gap size looks perfect. Not too crowded, yet not too spacious. Now we're changing the height so the shape is a square instead. We're almost done now. We're on a mission to duplicate the first shape and make sure that gaps on top and sides are 24 pixels. One last step is left, which is to fill those rectangles with random images. To do so, go to Tools and search for pixels. You can also use other libraries like Unsplash. Once you run it, make sure you've selected all of the shapes and click on Insert Random Images. Ta-da! Looking great! Let's try to preview our work. There seems to be something wrong. The image at the bottom is missing. And you can actually tell because if you go back to artboard, you'll notice its body is outside of the artboard. You can fix that by cutting it, selecting the artboard, then pasting it there. Now as you can see, the rest of the image was clipped to fit inside of the artboard. And if we take a look back at our prototype, it's now displayed. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the lesson, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next episode with Pixabike.